Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Flan Chef Zee full guide. Start by gathering 4 eggs, 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup sugar, and a 9-inch baking dish. Make a simple caramel by cooking sugar until golden, then pour into the dish and swirl. Whisk eggs and milk gently, strain into the caramel, and prepare a water bath for even baking at medium oven temperature. Begin the caramel with steady heat and patient stirring to avoid burning and bitterness. Use a heavy pan for even heat distribution and watch the color change closely from clear to light amber. Immediately pour the caramel into your 9-inch dish and tilt it to coat the base evenly, then let it set. This forms the glossy top once the flan is inverted, so keep the caramel smooth and deep golden. Whisk eggs gently with milk and vanilla to combine without creating foam that causes holes. Strain the custard to ensure a silky finish, then pour it over the firm caramel in your dish. Place the dish in a deeper pan and fill with hot water to reach 1/2 up the sides for a gentle bake. Bake until the center barely jiggles, then cool and chill thoroughly for best slicing results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.